Alright everybody, welcome back to Mismo. Today we are installing this little hood quick connect or latches or whatever. This one's right here. So I need to do some holes and whatnot so this can go through. I was looking where to put it. I was thinking here, or maybe taking this out. But I'm gonna put it in here and this one right here, these two. I already marked those on the hood, so I'm already marketing here and I'm marketing here. So I bought this kit, purchased this kit at Harbor Freight. It's the best store out there. So this is a whole kit. We are going to use maybe two different sizes. I think for that hole over there, I'm probably using this. Let's do those holes first, and then we do the second ones on the top. So this one is pretty easy. You just put it like that. Now it should go through that hole. Ooh, yeah, pretty good. So now I need to put some paint on the tip in here, so I can have the mark wherever this one sits. You mark it right there, take everything out. And now what you want to do is you want to sit down the hood slowly so you can go through the holes and make a mark like this. Okay, now keep in mind it's gonna make a long mark. Like in there, you can see there's a long mark. You want to focus on the first spot that it sits, so that will be the top of the mark up in there. I don't know if you guys can see, I have one mark in there, one mark in there. All right, so now there's two holes in here. They look very good because I can see the orange part of the thing. All right, so this is where it goes. Now I'm trying to see if I'm gonna put it straight like that, or kind of like sideways, or maybe super sideways, or maybe like this. I mean, you can put it wherever you want it. I think I'm gonna put it like that, a little bit sideways, just because I want to be cool. And this one as well. Anyways, just gonna put it from here if you open the hood, so it's not like you are going to use the latches for anything. So it's just more of how you're gonna press it and it's gonna open. It's gonna be like this, so you gotta press it and then you gotta do this. That's basically it. I'm going to mark it with this. Now I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be straight, same size. Oh wait, I gotta see where this one goes. Yeah, it's probably not gonna be the same angle on both sides. So there's that. Okay, this is the mark. Basically, I'm gonna use that kit that I got over there. I'm gonna do a circle hole in here and then a circle hole in here, and then I'm gonna trace it back and make sure they both align. And then with this one in this place right here, everything should look amazing. Let me do the other side so I can start that hole. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then see if that works. I need to cut this, or I've seen people taking this whole entire frame, I'll call it frame, of the hood. Now if I take it off, I need to reinforce this part. I don't have the welder set up yet, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit in here. Now if you look through the inside, this one goes all the way to like where it meet these two metal. So that's why I'm cutting this part right now. So I'm gonna do this cut and see how it looks. Maybe I need to cut a little bit more, but I think that's enough. The reason why I'm doing that is because this part goes under the hood, and then you see this one on top, and then you put the screws and the nuts goes in there, and then you can tie this up. Otherwise it's not gonna work. Alright, good and bad news. The good news is that, besides that it's hot, this one right here, locked in place, super tight. I just gotta push a little bit and then it will release. That's the only thing, but it's because it's tight. So basically I just do that and it releases. So that's good. Bad news, if you guys can see, there's not a rod in here. So what happened was that it broke. Now I think I over tied it, and that's probably why it broke. I'm not sure if it's, I mean, this should be a good product. The hole in here is also bad. I had to fish that hole over here. So yeah, two bad news. Anyways, that side is good. I also had to make another hole, but it was better than this one. Anyways, with the washer, it was you know, gonna be there. Everything was good, but it broke. So that's pretty much where I'm at. It's super hot. It's like 110. I'm dying over here, all sweat up. Good thing I have this brake, man. It's not, if not, I would be dying. I need to check online, see if I can buy only the rod. That one, it was pretty good. It was, honestly, it was where I got it and I was happy with it, but I was like, let me just tie it a little bit more, just a little bit, and it broke right there. Like I didn't, not even half turn, not even, maybe, not even a quarter of turn, and it, you know, snapped on half. So everything's good right now. I don't need to do anything else, so this is where I'm gonna wrap up the video.